Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by forcing the system into a low draw state. Open Settings, go to System Power, and turn on Battery Saver. Set it to 20% so it starts early. Next, select Power Mode. Pick Battery Saver or Balance to reduce CPU bursts and background activity. Close unused apps through Task Manager, and in Apps Background apps disable those you never need. These steps immediately limit wake timers, reduce background tasks, and cut short power spikes that drain the battery fast. Once the basics are in, tackle display and hardware, the biggest drains. Reduce screen brightness to 50% or enable adaptive brightness. The display often uses more power than the CPU. Turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth when not needed, or use airplane mode for long offline periods to stop periodic scans. Then tighten your sleep and hibernate timers. Set the screen to time out quickly and hibernate after 10 to 20 minutes idle to avoid background power use. These changes extend runtime while preserving responsiveness. To finish, focus on software causes and validation. Update Windows and device drivers to eliminate power management bugs. Use Windows Update and Device Manager. Open Task Manager and disable startup items, uninstall heavy apps, and apply efficiency mode to hungry processes. Generate a battery report, PowerCog/battery report, to inspect capacity and runtime trends. If you see anomalies, calibrate the battery by full discharge and recharge, or reset the power plan. If problems persist, update firmware or consult manufacturer support.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.